How to change font size in Android phone. First, open your phone setting. Scroll down and look for display section. Once found, click on it. Right here in the text size, you can adjust the font size you prefer for your phone. Choose from extra small to double extra large. Let's say we want this double extra large. So, drag this small dot into double extra large. Now tap back option to see the changes. Alright, it worked. Now let's try typing in the message section. So let's have some try. Alright, so as you can see guys, the font size are now bigger from its original size. So that's it. That's how to change font size in Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.